I was looking for a really nice bench, something that was not flimsy, that would not shake the second you're putting heavy weights on it. And the BowFlex Weight Bench series, I mean, this thing is so perfect. 4 adjustable angles, so it's great for targeting those muscles that you want to work on. Also, it folds very easy, so it's space saving, easy to store, easy to put against the wall. It's not going to bug anybody. Also, you do have wheels at the bottom, so it's easy to move this thing around. It does weigh about 40-45 pounds, but it's a solid bench. It does not move when you're doing extremely heavy weights. You could load up to 480 pounds, so it gives you a really nice buffer. And it's a heavy-duty steel construction. I mean, this thing is not going anywhere. So this bench will give you 4 different angles. So you have -20. So you're actually dipping a little bit in case if you want to do a really nice chest workout. Then you got your flat bench, 0, could be good for many things. You have 45 degree, also for chest workouts, shoulder workouts, or whatever that you need, and 90 degree. This thing also is very compact. Like I said, it folds, it stands up, very versatile. So it's very easy to put this in the closet and just take it out when you need to use it. And also the leg hold down brace, it's removable. So if you don't want it there, you could easily take it out and put it back if you want to use it for any typical exercise. The knobs are very smooth. I mean, this thing is very easy to change position. I feel like I don't need to fight with it. It's very smooth. And you hear the clicking, so you know it's engaged. It's not gonna fall down on you. Yeah, really nicely done. Definitely recommend it if you're looking for a nice piece of equipment to complete your gym set.